tutorial, I'll show you how to create or add multiple photos on your Instagram story. Launch the Instagram app and swipe right to open the camera section. Tap Story to create a new one. Tap the gallery icon at the bottom left and select the photo you want to add. Tap the sticker icon at the top and select Photo. Choose the next photo you want to add and adjust its size and position. Once you're satisfied with your collage, tap your story to upload it to your Instagram store. To create a collage with Instagram's layout, launch Instagram and swipe right to open camera. Tap Layout and then select the built-in collage maker. Select Change Grid and to choose the type of collage layout you prefer. And tap on each grid to upload photos from your gallery. Arrange and adjust the photos within each grid. Once satisfied, tap to check them. And tap your story to share your collage directly to your Instagram store. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.